Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today Mojang released the first pre-release of 1.18. I'll be showing you the new additions and changes in this video, so if you want to find out what's included, just keep on watching. Firstly, this pre-release introduces biome blending. This means you should no longer find harsh borders between new and old terrain. Amplified and large biome world types are once again available in the Create a World screen, and they have also been adapted to the new terrain. However, the caves and floating islands world types have been removed from the world creation screen. Previously, players could get outside of the world border by mounting a rideable entity, such as a pig or a boat. Moreover, they could also interact with entities outside of the border, but luckily both of these issues have been fixed. Secondly, the bug of dragon eggs teleporting outside the world border has also been fixed. Moving on, in-game, the weather correspondent to each biome sometimes wouldn't display accurately. It would rain in snowy taiga biomes instead of snowing. Thankfully though, this bug has been fixed. If you are aware of the latest Snapshot as well, when upgrading old worlds, Deep Slate and Bedrock were supposed to generate below the Y0 levels. Due to a glitch however, this wasn't working as intended, but fortunately that has now been fixed. Lastly though, earlier when loading into the end, the world generation would be extremely slow and choppy, but this should no longer occur. Those are all the significant additions on the first pre-release for 1.18. There have been many more bug fixes, but I won't be covering all of them as it would take too long. If you want to check them all out in detail though, the link to the article will be in the description. Also, don't forget that if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to try this pre-release out with your friends, you should head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more from our channel. Thank you for watching!